Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see from the title below, I'm going to be reviewing Nabla Cosmetics' new Cutie collection. This collection is just so beautiful, guys. I got it in PR a few days ago, and I knew I had to hop on here and give you guys my thoughts, give you a look, you know what I mean? So that's what we're gonna be doing today. So this is the beautiful packaging that the PR came in. I'm gonna go ahead and insert a video right over here of me unboxing it on Instagram. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do, because that is where I show everything first. The whole entire Cutie collection came with 3 different mini collections inside, if that makes sense. So we have the Platinum Cutie collection right over here. Then we have the Wild Berry Cutie collection. And then we have the Cutie Metropolitan collection right over here. Each collection comes with an eyeshadow palette, a lipstick, and an eyeliner. I believe this is an eyeliner because when I was watching the application on their Instagram stories, she was applying it to her eye as an eyeliner. So I'm gonna assume that's what it is because it's called a Cupid's arrow, but it wasn't saying if it was an eyeliner or not. So I'm gonna go off of that assumption. So I had to go ahead and take like a quick second to decide which collection I would be using today because they're all so pretty. But I wanna target one eyeshadow look today. And I think I'm gonna go with the Cutie Platinum collection because not only will it go with my hijab, which is a necessary thing on my channel, but also because I haven't done like a silver glam on my channel in a while. So I feel like it's just the right look for us to create today. So that is what I'm gonna go ahead and do. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in closer and we're gonna get into our eye look. I already did my brows and prepped my eyes off camera, just using my Too Faced Born This Way Super Coverage Concealer like I always do. So yeah, let's get to it. I don't know why my lights have my cheeks looking so red today. I even opened up my window and I'm still red. I don't know what's going on, but we're just gonna ignore that. We're gonna go ahead and go in with our Cutie Platinum palette. And the one thing I love about this palette is that it does come with 2 matte shades, as you can see here. They're like 2 nice brown shades, which makes me so happy. And I love that they have one that's a little lighter and then one that's darker so that we can use it to intensify the crease. So the first shade I'm gonna go in with is our transition color, and I'm gonna take this shade right over here. And this shade is called Aristocracy, I believe, and I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up. And I'm really excited because I'm also trying my Sephora brushes for the first time. I'm super happy about that because that saved me 1 day of washing my other brushes, and we love that. We love procrastination, but I'm so excited to see how these brushes perform as well. So I'm gonna go ahead with the Sephora Pro Crease brush, and this is in the number 26. It just looks like the right brush to blend out our transition color, so I'm gonna go ahead with that. Now that we have our transition color blended out, I'm gonna go in with that darker brown shade, and it's called Tenebrae. I believe that's how you pronounce it. And I'm gonna go ahead and pick that up with my Sephora Pro Crease brush in the number 24. I feel like this is like the perfect size to really get in there. And I'm just gonna start on the outer corner, just as I did with the transition color, and work it in. So I just went ahead and cleaned up my lid a little bit with my Sigma eyeshadow base primer in the shade Persuade, like I always do. And now I'm gonna go back in with this silver shimmer right over here. It's just so pretty. I'm gonna take my Sephora number 15 Pro Shadow Brush and just start to pick that up and pack it on. Wow. Are you guys seeing that? Look at that pigment. Oh my god, that is beautiful. So we are starting to get a lot of fallout, which I'm glad. We are doing our eyeshadow first, but this is so pretty. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna pick up this darker gray shimmer that's called Gem System. And I'm gonna go in with that same Sephora 15 brush and start blending that in, because you guys know I love to create like a beautiful gradient effect between our shades. So I just feel like this would complement it so well if it blends into a more darker silver before we blend it into that dark brown that we had in our crease. So now that we have that done, I'm gonna go back in with that darker brown shade right over here just to blend that into the outer corner and kind of blend that into our darker gray shimmer so that there's a gradient effect between each shade. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go back in with our 26 brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend out the outer corners so that we don't have any harsh lines. Now the one thing I can tell you about the shimmer is that there are definitely those type of shimmers that, you know, spread out, that go all over from where you apply it. I know that might bother certain people. Personally, I don't really mind it. Maybe go in with an eyeshadow base that mainly like really keeps the shimmers in place. I think I'll do that next time. Maybe go in with a little bit of glitter glue so it doesn't kind of like flake out everywhere else. See, now that we have that fallout cleaned up, I feel like it just looks so pretty. So I'm really, really happy with it. So now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of my base makeup off camera because I want to keep this review strictly to the Cutie collection, and I'll be right back and we can get back into the eyes. All right guys, and I'm back and I'm glowing, okay? But now we're gonna get into finishing the rest of the eye look. Now this collection did come with this eyeliner, and this is Arrow number 1. It's like a nice nude shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply that on my waterline. Ooh, I feel like that's so pretty. It's like a pop of pinky nude in there randomly, and I'm kind of here for it. Yeah, I really love that. That's actually such a cute pop of color. So now I'm gonna go ahead with some mascara, and I'm gonna be taking, of course, my Fenty Beauty Full Frontal Mascara. I love this mascara. It's like my favorite mascara at the moment. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply a light coat of that because I'm gonna be going in with lashes, so I don't really need a thick layer of mascara. Okay, so I'm back. I just went ahead and applied some mascara on my lower lash line, and I also went in with my Shop Sansa Beauty lashes in the style Double Double. So now I'm gonna go into lip products, and I'm actually gonna take the lipstick that came with the Metropolitan collection just because I kind of feel like it will match this makeup look a little bit better. It's more of a nude, whereas the shade that came in with this collection is more of like a deeper berry shade. I kind of want to go for a nude lip, you know what I mean? So I will save that lipstick for another time. But first, I'm actually gonna use Cupid Arrow number 2 that came in the Metropolitan collection as well. And I'm gonna use it as a lip liner. I feel like it will be perfect. So I'm gonna use that to line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with that lipstick that's called Metropolitan. So yeah, to give you guys my final thoughts on the Nabla Cutie collection, specifically the platinum one, since that's what we use today, I would give it a 10 out of 10. I feel like the shadows blended beautifully. The eyeliner was really nice. I love the lipstick formulas, as you can see. Super, super creamy. I cannot wait to get into the other 2 collections as well. Make sure you guys stay tuned and follow me on Instagram because I'll probably just do an IG look there. I feel like Nabla is such a underrated or slept on brand, and people need to start waking up and realize how amazing their products are. So yeah, I would say it's definitely worth your coins. I would highly suggest you guys go ahead and check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to join the family. And I have another super exciting review coming to you guys for our next video, so make sure you guys stay tuned. Plus our weekly Ramadan vlogs as well. So make sure you guys stay tuned and don't miss out. And like always, I'll see you guys in my next video.